Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add CapCut widget on your home screen. Having quick access to CapCut can speed up your editing process and make it super convenient to create content. So, let's get started on how to add CapCut widget on your home screen. First, on your iPhone home screen, press and hold at the empty area until the icon starts to jiggle. You can now see the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. In the search bar at the top, search for the CapCut app. Once it appears in your search results, tap on it. Now you can swipe right or left and select which part of the app you want as widget. Then, tap on the Add Widget button. Drag the widget to a desired location on the home screen. Finally, tap on the Done button in the top right corner to save your changes. And this is how you can add CapCut widget on your home screen. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.